In front of me is nothing CMF Phone 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now to add an audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Hit Files. And look for your audio one by hitting audio at the top, selecting one of those apps, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, tap on your file to attach it. If you want to add a video one, select Gallery section instead. Tap on your video here. Or if you can't find it, select Photos and tap on it here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!